Hello and welcome to our next great episode of Tuesday's Tips and Tricks with WorkPoint 365 Explorer. Nonconformities can be a frustrating and time-consuming problem in your production. But we have to say they are part of the process. Important is how fast and easy you can add them to your system and how fast you can react on them. So let's jump into a demo and I will show you how easy and how fast you can add them in WorkPoint. Once again, we are in our pizza sauce composition business process. We have already one nonconformity, but now we want to assign a new one. So I click on Assign NC in the My Tools panel. A wizard appears and I can select the nonconformity I want, or I can create a new one. I will click on Create Nonconformity. Now I can give a title, select a type, and add information about the nonconformity. After clicking on Save, WorkPoint is creating my nonconformity and I can add details to the relation to the business process. I click Save Relation and the job is done. Now you can see that we have another nonconformity added to the process and everybody is aware. This was maybe the fastest and shortest tips and tricks episode ever, but you can see how easy and fast it is to add your nonconformities to your solution, to your WorkPoint solution. So reducing errors and saving time for all employees who are working right now at this business process. And like I said, fast and easy. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.